Assemble.
Hello everyone. I am delighted to be with you today to share a highlight of Milan Fashion Week dedicated to David Catalán's Fall-Winter 2026 menswear collection, entitled Assembled. It is a true pleasure to accompany you as we discover this show, which promises an exceptional visual and creative experience. During the first part of this video, I will share my impressions and guide you step by step through the unique universe the designer presents to us. From the very first silhouettes that step onto the runway, one can immediately sense the profound inspiration drawn from the art of traditional patchwork. The garments seem to tell a story of meticulous construction, each panel and each seam revealing an impressive attention to detail. What I particularly admire is the way David Catalán reinterprets the concept of layering. Here, everything is designed to offer the modern man a wardrobe where utility meets aesthetics. The materials are subtly interwoven. Sturdy wools, heavy cottons and technical fabrics blend together in an unexpected harmony that captures the eye. Take a close look at the diversity of textures and cuts. With every pass, there is a refined festival of contrasts between matte and shiny surfaces, smooth fabrics and elaborately worked reliefs. The assembly of the pieces is never left to chance. Behind each creation, one senses the intention to reinforce not only the structure of the garment, but also its ability to protect against the cold while remaining elegant. I particularly appreciate how each model offers a structured yet never rigid silhouette. Jackets with geometric panels, wide-leg trousers paired with fitted tops, enveloping coats. Everything is designed to be worn daily, combined as desired, and adapted to every situation.
White walls, open doors, moving steady. Ibiza and the afterlight assemble. Nothing wrong, nothing right. Onyx.
This fashion show is also an ode to functionality without compromising on style. The pockets are generous, sometimes almost hidden within the very construction of the garment. The layering becomes a play of textile architecture, where the designer's creativity converses with the practical requirements of the winter season. What can this bring you? A true source of inspiration to rethink your own wardrobe. Dare to mix materials and shapes. Multiply the layers to create your personalized version of fashion that sacrifices neither comfort nor elegance. I would also like to acknowledge the commitment behind this collection. Portugal Fashion here stands out as an essential springboard for promoting Portuguese creativity on the international stage, with the support of ANJE and the Compete 2030 program. This gives even more meaning to the designer's work, who not only creates clothing but also offers a sustainable and innovative vision. In conclusion, what I particularly take away from Assembled is its ability to boldly combine tradition and modernity. Among its strengths are an advanced exploration of textiles, silhouettes designed for movement and for fully experiencing the urban winter, as well as a warm color palette that truly brightens up the cold season. If I were to point out one area for improvement, but that is also part of the creative process, I would say that perhaps we would have liked to see more experimentation with certain accessories or shoes to push this patchwork universe even further. Overall, congratulations to David Catalán for this collection rich in fresh ideas. I sincerely thank you for following this exclusive report. I hope you enjoyed this dive into David Catalán's creative world. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell, so you don't miss any upcoming videos. A thumbs up would also be greatly appreciated to support my work. I wish you an excellent viewing experience for the rest of the show. I look forward to seeing you very soon for new fashion discoveries. See you soon and take care.
Onyx. nothing wrong, nothing right. Onyx. Onyx. Unexpected. Unexpected. Onyx. Onyx.